Infinite by Forever targets aging from the inside out and the outside in, with revolutionary formulas designed to tone and firm the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. What is in the Infinite kit? You'll find these powerful products in every box: Infinite Hydrating Cleanser, Infinite Firming Serum, Infinite Firming Complex, Infinite Restoring Creme. Forever's experts found peptides, natural minerals, botanicals, desert plants, and the latest skincare science to not just complement aloe, but enhance its benefits. Every product in this routine was carefully formulated to work together in harmony, to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve the smoothness of skin, and support beauty from the inside out. The result is radiant, moisturized, and younger-looking skin that feels great all day long.
Here are some 5-star customer reviews. Excellent anti-aging package. I have been using this product for quite a number of years. My initial experience was change of skin texture and decrease in lines and fine wrinkles. I noticed when I frown my forehead isn't as wrinkly. I particularly love the firming serum. Overall very happy with results and 100% recommend it for any mature or dry skin.
So I took the big leap to change my skincare range to Infinite. This was a massive change for me I was happy with, I have used for many years. I started using Forever Marine Collagen, and was so impressed, I decided to give this a try. Well, there's no looking back. The Infinite range is incredible, and gave me instant results. Literally, my face was glowing after the first use. This is a must, ladies, worth every penny.
I am 52 and have been using this skincare range for nearly 5 years now. I am always complimented on my glowing skin, and it's definitely down to this fantastic skincare range. Also, due to my age, my skin has become drier, and this definitely gives it the love it needs. The hydrating cleanser never dries your skin out, and teamed with the other products gives my aging skin the boost it needs, and I feel confident and glowing.
You can read many more customer reviews and buy at a 15% discount, with free track delivery via my website, www.foreverlivingdistributor.co.uk. If you have any questions, just comment or get in touch via my website. I am always happy to help. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.